Hey guys, we are about to take some blackberries. We're gonna boil them. We're gonna get the juice and we're gonna go ahead and can that, and we can use the juice later on for pies, for syrup, or whatever you would like to make out of it. We don't like the seeds in our pies, so we use the juice only to make our pies. But we're gonna go ahead and we've washed them. They're on the stove now in a pot. We're gonna boil them, then we're gonna strain them, and then we're gonna can that juice, and I'm gonna show you how it's done. Stay tuned. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, leave us a comment. I try to reply to every comment that's left. Hang around, stick with us. So we have this pot of blackberries here. We're going to go ahead and boil these, get the juice off of them, and take the juice and we're going to can it. We're just gonna can it while it's boiling. We're gonna put it in the sterilized jar and put the lid on it and let it seal. And that juice later on can be used for pies or cobblers, just anything that you want to use the blackberry juice for. You can make syrup, things like that. We don't like the seeds in our pies, so we only use the blackberry juice. We don't use the whole blackberry. So we're gonna boil these, and the juice is gonna come out, and then we're gonna strain them and can the juice. Stay tuned. Our blackberries are boiling now really well. We're fixing to strain those. Our lids are over here. We've already sterilized our jars. They're waiting. Our lids are just staying hot in this pot. Then we're gonna bring these over here and strain them out in this. Because we only want the juice, we don't want the seeds. So I now have 4 pints of blackberry juice.